The flexible LED screen is super cool and practical. It's easy to install and can be shaped into all kinds of different forms, thanks to its flexibility and magnetic attachment. Whether it's a curved wall, a round column, or an irregular building facade, the flexible LED screen can adapt perfectly, giving you a more personalized and creative display. Flexible LED display screens are super adaptable. You can use our flexible LED modules to create all kinds of cool shapes, like curved LED walls, cylindrical displays, wavy screens, funky shaped LED signs, or even spherical LED displays. EagerLED's flexible LED modules are soft and lightweight, which makes them perfect for creating all kinds of curved surfaces and expanding your design options. Right now, we've got 3 sizes to choose from: 240 by 120 mm, 320 by 160 mm, and 256 x 128 mm. These modules can be bent and shaped into all sorts of angles and forms without messing with the LED functionality or the protective cover. Thanks to the magnetic design, they can easily stick to any metal surface or structure, saving you time, space, and maintenance costs. Plus, with special tools, front-end maintenance can be done super easily and quickly. Compared to traditional LED displays, the flexible LED ones with their unique look are bound to grab people's attention. The possibilities for using flexible LED displays in advertising and other fields are endless, with some really unexpected benefits. EagerLED's flexible LED displays use a strong magnetic assembly design, which makes them quick to install or replace, and they fit together seamlessly. Our soft and flexible LED screens have great brightness, low power consumption, wide viewing angles, excellent light efficiency, and super high definition. EagerLED's flexible LED billboards can be customized into any shape you need, making them perfect for all kinds of applications, especially for those irregularly shaped buildings.